Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of decorating for Halloween. I'm going to share a stovetop potpourri that's perfect for the fall season. And I'm also going to be doing a little bit of cooking. I love to cook during this time of the year. So we're going to be making some mashed potatoes with a mushroom chicken dish. So I'm super excited to share it with you guys. And for the cooking in this video, I'm going to be using the Always pan by Our Place. This one pan is designed to replace 8 traditional pieces of cookware. It's non-toxic. It's the best non-stick pan that I've ever tried, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I can't wait for you guys to see me cook with it and to let you know more about it. Big thank you to Our Place for sponsoring this video. So on a cozy fall day, it just makes everything better when you get the aroma and you get the ambiance on point. So I like to start by lighting all of my fall candles. You guys know I'm obsessed with candles. So this is something that I pretty much do daily, especially during the fall season. And I've been getting a lot of questions about this candle, so I just looked up and found this candle at Home Goods, and it was super affordable and it's really lasted a long time. I light it every single day. So the stovetop potpourri is my absolute favorite smell during the fall season. I love the combination of the mulling spices, the apples, the oranges, the cinnamon sticks. It literally just makes your home feel so cozy and inviting. It really just can't be beat. And the best part about the potpourri recipe is that it's super easy to make. You just put the potpourri ingredients in a pot, simmer it on low for a couple of hours, and trust me, your house is going to smell so amazing. And once you get everything in the pot, you want to go ahead and mix it all together and simmer over low heat for as long as you'd like. And you can also add more water if the mixture gets low, but this is going to make your home smell absolutely amazing and just like fall. And now we're gonna decorate for Halloween. So I've never decorated for Halloween, but Uriah is so super excited. So I wanted to do something that would be really cute and fun for him. So I just decided to add a few Halloween decor pieces to this little console table in his play area. And he wanted to help me, so we're just gonna be adding everything up here. And everything that I'm using to decorate with, I got from At Home. So they have decor for every season, every holiday, whether it's Christmas, Halloween, St. Patrick's Day, they will have decor for it. So if you guys haven't checked out At Home, find one near you and check them out. See what they have, because they always have really, really cute things. So this is what it looks like. I think it turned out really cute. It's not too much, but definitely enough to give that cute Halloween feel, and Uriah really, really likes it. I also wanted to share the front porch with you guys. We decorated this a few days ago, but I love the way that it turned out. I think it is so cute. I love the mums and the pumpkins. Such a fall vibe. So the pumpkin statues and the sign that says "Witch better have my candy," those are also from At Home. So like I was telling you guys, they have a lot of cute stuff, and I think the porch turned out really cute. So now I'm going to get started with dinner, and I'm taking everything out the fridge that I'm going to need. And again, I'm going to be cooking with the Always pan by Our Place. It's so gorgeous and it comes in several different shades. And with this pan, you can do pretty much everything. You can fry, saute, sear, steam, boil. You can pretty much do it all. And I really love how non-stick this pan is, and you guys will get to see that more as I start cooking throughout the video. I'm going to be making a creamy chicken and mushroom dish. It's pretty simple. All you need are chicken breasts, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, olive oil, mushrooms, parsley, oregano, and butter. And we're gonna have it with a side of mashed potatoes. So I peeled the potatoes and now I'm cutting them up. And I like to use the Yukon Gold potatoes. I just feel like they make the best mashed potatoes. So yeah, once I get the potatoes cut up, I'm just going to add them to some boiling water. I will have the full recipe for the mashed potatoes in the description box. The first thing you want to do is season your chicken breast, and you can simply use salt and black pepper, but I'm using this nature seasoning, which is a blend of onion, garlic, salt, and a few other spices. Once you get it seasoned, you want to go ahead and coat it in some flour. And once that's done, you want to melt about a tablespoon of butter and just a little drizzle of olive oil to your pan. And then you want to add in your chicken pieces. You want to sear those until they are fully cooked. You want to cook the chicken breast about 6 minutes on each side, and as you guys can tell, the Always pan is not really sticking, so that's really great. I was really impressed with the non-stick. And in the meantime, I'm going to have Colton cut up all of the parsley and the oregano. And once your chicken's done, you want to set it aside and start sauteing your mushrooms. You also want to cook this with a tablespoon of butter and a little drizzle of olive oil. I'm also adding in a little bit of minced garlic, and this is definitely optional, but I just wanted to add it so that I could get a little bit more flavor. And once the mushrooms are sauteed, you want to add in 1 1/4 cup of chicken broth. You also want to add in 1 1/2 tablespoons of cornstarch and also 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is really going to help thicken the mixture. You just want to mix all of that together. And once it's all mixed, you want to go ahead and add your chicken breast back to the mixture. And you want to just continue to let it cook on medium heat, and you want to top it off with some parsley and oregano. You don't have to add as much as we did. It really just depends on how much you like it. I also added a few whole mushrooms to the mixture, and that was pretty much it. It was ready to be served, and it was so good, you guys. I know it might not look that appetizing on camera, but this was such a great dish, so you guys should definitely try it. And be sure to check out the Always pan. It was really great to cook with. It's the non-stick for me that makes it so worth it, and the fact that it replaces 8 traditional pieces of cookware. So definitely be sure to check this out. I will have a link in the description box. So after we had dinner, we went ahead and made us an after dinner snack, which was popcorn with candy corn. Uriah absolutely loves candy Decor. And then we cuddled up on the couch and watched Halloween Town, and that was the end of our cozy fall day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!